Hello and welcome back to Twisty Cuisine. Today we're sharing a delicious chicken patty which you can use for burgers, grilling, or whatever you like. Let's get started. For patty marination, take 1.5 pounds of minced chicken, add 1 tablespoon of crushed chili, add 1.5 tablespoon of breadcrumbs, add 1 tablespoon of garlic powder, add 1 tablespoon of corn flour, half tablespoon of ginger powder, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, add salt as per your taste, and 2 tablespoons of oil. Mix all of these ingredients together nicely. After mixing, cover it and leave it at room temperature for about 2 hours. Now take it out and shape the chicken into patties. This much chicken should be enough to make 6 to 7 large-sized patties. Add the patties in heated oil. Give each side 10 to 15 minutes on a medium flame. On a toasted bread, spread mayonnaise generously. Since we are making a sandwich, we are using bread. You can use bun for burgers or grill it if you want. Now add some baby spinach on top of the bread. Now add sizzling patties. Finally, to top it off, add some tomato slices. The delicious chicken patty sandwich is ready to be served. We are serving over here with our special fries. If you want to know the recipe of it, do let us know in the comment section and we will provide you with the recipe. Give this recipe a try. Let us know how you liked it. Give us your suggestions. We would love to hear from you. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and hit that bell icon so you can receive our new videos as soon as we upload them. Thank you and goodbye.